Are you over bending over? Is the rubbing and scrubbing to keep your home clean driving you mad? It's time to order Turbo Scrub, the cordless, rechargeable power scrubber that literally scrubs for you and lets you clean down low and up high without bending or reaching. The powerful 300 RPM rotating action makes even the grungiest tile and grout shine like new again. Baked on or burned on, the Turbo Scrub powers through it. Practically any mess on any surface is no match for Turbo Scrub. The secret's the powerful long-life battery that sends 300 RPMs of power to the head, letting it do the tough scrubbing so you don't have to, making the toughest jobs quick and easy. The cordless Turbo Scrub is waterproof and runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Use it with a corner brush. Look as it gets into corners that are practically impossible to clean. It easily cleans greasy cooktops, stoves, or metal grates. Take it outside and easily clean the grunge and grime off of your patio furniture. It's perfect for scrubbing grime out of stubborn sliding glass door tracks and tackles road grime from your rims with ease.